Good evening, everyone. This is Mike, Kilo Oscar 4, Papa Delta India, and you are watching Ham Fun with KO4PDI. I thought I would make a quick video talking about NetLogger. NetLogger is a free program that you can download off of the internet. Just Google it and download the program, install it onto your computer. I believe it works on Mac and Windows, also Linux. So you can download this program. We're going to talk a little bit about NetLogger tonight, and I want to show you a few things. I use this every Thursday night when we do our net. Not this week because I'll be at Hamcation and KJ4. I'm sorry. Alan's going to be the net control guy. KN4ZGY. He'll be doing the net tomorrow night. So the Honey Badgers net runs every Thursday night at 8 p.m. Eastern, and we do Wires X, which is questionable if that's going to work tomorrow night because it's down right now. But Jim, ND1C, will be home, hopefully, and reboot the computer and get it back up. So we'll be in the 80751 room on Wires X, or you can get into the KB4JDE repeater either over the air if you're local to the area, which is 145.45. If you're not local to the area, you can get in on Echolink KB4 Kilo Bravo 4 Juliet David Echo KB4JDE, and you can get in with that, and we keep track of that on NetLogger. At least when I do it, we do. NetLogger is a program that I don't know, it gives you the ability to see nets that are going on all over the place on all different bands, on DMR, D-Star, talk groups on DMR. They have them on 70 centimeter, on 2 meter, on 40 meter. Right now there's a bunch on 40 meter. There's some on 2 meter also. If you're in the area where they are, you can pick them up. I don't see them. We got an 80 meter one, 3919 kilohertz. I'm actually going to put my radio on that right now. 3919. Passed it. There we go. And let's see if we can hear anything. Yeah, I can hear them. They're talking right now. But let me show you on NetLogger how to get into that, okay? So we'll turn on the NetLogger window. There it is. So when you get NetLogger and you open it up, this is the window that you will come across. On the top left, you'll see, well, actually, you see a clock on the top left with red letter, like a red LED clock. Tells you how long you're on. The blue buttons are the important ones. Select net. You click on select net, and this window opens. And in this window, you can see right now there's 18 different nets live right this minute. The one I just tuned to, 3919, is, let's see, what does that one say it is? There's one on 3585 also. Let me see. What 3919 is the Friendly Bunch conversation. Great little group. You can get on there, make QSOs with people, and talk about your day and your new rig and what you bought and what you built and stuff like that. So we're going to go on that net right now. I'll show you how we do that. The Friendly Bunch. I'll highlight it right there. It's on 3919 HF, and you hit Monitor Net. Now watch what comes up in the NetLogger window. Nothing. Just two guys. Maybe the net didn't start yet. Let's see what we could hear.
The day before, everything was working fine. So the computer is, my background is primarily, and this goes back a number of years, but I worked as a technician in a radio shop, installing radios, police radios, fire
This
radios.
is the kind of stuff you talk to on the net. This guy's talking about his job, what he used to do.
Another computer. I get on the internet, listen to stuff, music, but I primarily use the computer, correspondence and just that sort of thing. Over.
Oh, this guy's really far away. There's only two people listed in this net right now, W3DC and K91 Queen Bravo. All right, so let's try a different net. So we're going to click Stop Monitoring up here. I'm going to click Select Net again. Here it comes again. Let's look for another one on 80 meters since I'm on 80 meters right now. As on 3585, it's PTN Pennsylvania Traffic Net. So we're looking for 3585. All right, 3585. Let's see if we hear anything there. That sounds like slow scan. Oh, it's CW. Duh. I didn't even notice that. So there, look, you got a net that is CW. If you're into CW, there you go. You can get on here and join this net doing CW, which is pretty cool. I never heard of CW net before. That's the first time. That's cool. There's no more on 80 meters. I see on 40 meters. Let's see what a good one is. The friendly bunch we listened to, but there wasn't a lot of people there. Moonlighters. Let's go to the Moonlighters. 7279. So we'll go to radio. We'll type 7.279. Enter. Make sure it's lower sideband, which it is. And let's raise the volume, see if we hear anything. Yes, we do. Now, if I join this net, I highlight it and I say monitor net. So right now, you're looking at this. Dave is the net control station. That's the first guy that's in purple on top. Let me see if I can make that a little bit bigger so you get a good look. We can get rid of the other one and just enlarge this. I'll just move it. I'll leave it right there. I don't care if it hides my face. Yeah, we'll transition over. Okay, so there you go. The purple line on the very top. He's in Henrietta, North Carolina. Echo Mike 25, AK. His name is Dave. He's the net control station. Don is the guy talking right now. The line that you see, person who's talking at the moment. He's the guy that has the floor. I'll expand this a little bit so you can see it all, and you can see all the information that's up here. All the people that checked into this net, here's their call signs over here. Right? That's on the left. And I haven't checked in yet, so my call sign's not on there. They haven't asked for check-ins. Sometimes when they monitor these nets, when they use NetLogger, I could check in just by clicking on NetLogger and say check in. Here's something cool about also do this. View monitors. If I click on view monitors, another window opens up. We'll add that onto the screen. Let me show that. Shrink that down. And window capture. There's a little technical stuff I got to do to get this to work. And here's the window that shows everybody that's monitoring this net right now. So if you notice Magical Mike, there I am, KO4PDI. I'm the 17th guy monitoring this net. All right? Now, another thing you can do, say you're the net control station and there's an issue and somebody wants to contact you right away. You hit AIM window and another window opens up. I will get that for you now. First of all, let me show you, this is all the people monitoring the net right now. And we are going to change that window to the chat window. See if I can find it. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so we'll switch that window to that. And you can see now these are people, the net control station, and anybody on the net can open this window and you can type messages to each other. That's what's nice about NetLogger. So if I'm running a net and somebody's talking, they're talking, and say one of the repeaters goes down or there's an issue or static or something, they can send me a message on this window and I'll see it in real time as they send it. So I'll say, uh-oh, we got an issue. Let me call somebody and get the right repeater set up or whatever. Here's a little snapshot. This guy just said, LOL, just messing Dave. That's what I do. You see that on the bottom. That you can send jokes back and forth while the live stream is going on using this window, the AIM window. So keep that in mind and try to get NetLogger. What I do sometimes, like tonight I did some parks on the air hunting and I got a couple of parks. It's a little tough. It's 9 minutes into the next day, so I should go back to those same parks and actually get credit for another QSO. It's not a duplicate. Even though they're in the same park, that I talked to him on earlier before 7 o'clock Eastern. Now I can talk to him after 7 o'clock Eastern, and it counts as another QSO to their park. So that's something good to know. The Navajo Code Talkers are here. Wow, the last guy, John. Oh, they checked me into this net. They put my name there because they saw me monitoring it. Okay. They didn't get to me. I got the volume down. I should turn it up.
I didn't even hear what he said. Hey, midnight UI, go ahead and work up.
Let's.
13VS, and UIE, you copy me on it? Yep, I copy you. You're all you. Only 20,